Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your Galaxy Z Fold 7. In today's video, I will be reviewing another case from Tongate. This is actually their wallet case for the Galaxy Z Fold 7. If you checked out my latest video, I did review their 360 magnetic case, which I have been using for the last couple of days. So I decided, why not pick up another one from this company? Like we normally do my reviews to make sure everything lines up. Can your wireless charge? How many cards can you hold? Is it a bulky case? Do you get camera protection? Do you get lip protection? Also, the overall fit of the case. Just the normal things you look for in a case review. I will have the links in the description. That way, if you want to pick it up, you can definitely do so. It comes in different colors too. I think I decided just to go with the black one on this one. But let's get into it. I mean, I like the army green color of the box. But yeah, I mean, I really enjoyed the other one. So gives you a little welcome there. This one does have the built-in screen protector also. Tells you how to install it. You have some extra strips here. Bam. So here, oh, okay. So it has a little camera cover too. Where's the wallet part? Oh, you put the wallet there. So you can put the cards in here so you can hold up to 3 cards. Bam. Okay, that's a different design. And then the hinge protection on this one is not super big. Like the other one, I like the little grip they have. And then you have your built-in screen protector here. Let me go ahead and take all this off. All right, so here is the front. It has like a privacy screen on there. But you want to put this bad boy in here. And it's going to fit snug too. Ooh, you heard that, right? And you just want to make sure you press it in there. I don't have a screen protector on there right now, so... And then you want to put this bad boy in here. I mean, these cases fit super well. That's why I've been liking them, because they fit so well. And let's answer this right off the bat. This case will add some bulk to your phone. And in this case, it may not be something that you rock every single day, though. Maybe you want to go out on the town, you don't want to carry your wallet, you want to play a little safe, you can put in, you know, maybe your ID and a credit card, and then just leave it in there. Bam. And then that's all you have for carrying it. And then you can use a different case every single day, because this is bulky. I mean, look at it. It has a little extra piece here. But you do have camera protection. Even if you didn't have the built-in screen protector, you have lip protection, I should say. Camera protection, yes, you do. Even with the thing open, because you have this little back piece here. But with the cover, bam, you definitely have protection there too. You have the hinge protection here. And then opening it up, you can see how much protection you have around your corners. So it definitely adds some bulk. Power button is easy to get to. Same thing with the vine rockers. I love how you can't see it from the sides though. Nice privacy thing there. So the vine rockers are nice. Everything lines up at the top and the bottom here. Also the same thing on here. Now, yes, it adds some bulk to your phone. But you also have, now another thing too, look, it takes some work to get this open. But with that said, you have a little kickstand too. I mean, that would be weird to have, but you can. So you have it in different angles. So you have a little kickstand too if you don't want to use it as a card holder. The one thing, I don't know if you can even wireless charge with this case or not. I doubt you can. When you open it up, it does take off some of your hinge. But can you wireless charge? Let me see. I doubt you can, but let's try. It's not wireless charging. So that could be a deal breaker too for some people. But again, if you are going out for the night, you have your phone charged already. And if you open it up, if you kind of open it up like that, you might be able to get it to charge a little bit. You know, not by much, but again, this case is for when you're going out of town or out on the town. You want to not carry a big wallet or a wallet at all. You can put 3 cards in here, carry this, and have a good time. Then you can just use that 360 case every single day for the everyday use, and you probably won't even have to take off the front. You can swap, you can keep the fronts on there. So this one checks off a lot of boxes. The wallet seems really nice. Cards they will be stuck in there because I barely can even pull this up. The one thing you're missing is MagSafe or even wireless charging when you have this piece on there. But you have camera protection, you have lip protection. Everything lines up at the top and the bottom. The power button is open, it's big enough. Yeah, the Vine rockers are great. Yes, it has bulk. Yes, it's missing MagSafe or even wireless charging. It's hard to do. But it has a lot of different things that you look for in a case. That's why I do these type of videos. I mean, will I use this case every single day, y'all? No. But will I rock this case if I'm going out downtown like Dallas or San Antonio? Yes. Because I don't like carrying a wallet when I'm down there. I can put a couple cards in there, my ID, bam, I'm good to go. So if you want to pick up this case, I will have the links in the description. You can get it from Amazon. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy Z Fold 7. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at FordsReviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. Until next time, peace. Y'all have a great day.